Has your washer stopped spinning, or is your dryer no longer drying your clothes? We are your local washer and dryer repair experts. Prompt, courteous, professional, and affordable. Common washing machine problems range from too much laundry detergent to getting water all over the floor. Some fixes are quick and easy, and others require hiring a professional to diagnose and repair. If you have exhausted your troubleshooting options, then contact us for a diagnosis. All service calls are free with the repair. Common dryer issues are: the dryer won't turn on, won't tumble, is burning your clothes, or isn't heating. These could be issues from a faulty thermal fuse, belts, switches, the motor, seals, rollers, or electronic ignition. You don't have to deal with these appliance repairs. Just pick up the phone and schedule a service call and we'll get you up and running in no time.